Alright everybody, welcome back. We just went over some examples. Actually no, yeah, we just went over a couple conditional statements, or conditional operators, like this OR operator. We used that in a couple videos ago, where we demonstrated the use of the OR operator. In this case, I want to demonstrate the use of the AND operator in this video. Okay, so obviously this will never be true, because we can't have a capital letter and a lowercase letter for the same variable. Alright, and right now this variable that we're looking at is getting the first character and whatever the user types in. So let's say we make a new variable. Alright, I'm going to make an integer, and I'm going to call it age. Alright, now over here I just want to give some information to the user. Alright, we're going to say enter your age. Alright. And now so we see this input next here. We're also going to say input dot nextInt. Now we can see a difference here, right? So we have this input, this scanner variable that's allowing us to have the user input values. So this next will turn this input into a string, where this nextInt will turn this input into an integer. Okay, let's go ahead and run this. Let's go ahead and run this, and we'll trace through. And again, you can always copy and paste the code through the website in the description. You'll have to click on the website, copy and paste the code, so you don't have to type all of it up. Alright, do you want to continue? Yes. Enter your age. Right, and now we can enter the age, right? And 50. Right now it does nothing. Okay, so let's go ahead and add this. Alright, I want age to be greater than or equal to 21. Alright, and this is the relational operator. Alright, so age is greater than or equal to 21. Let's go ahead and run this now. You want to continue? Yes. You're 50. And it says proceed, because these evaluated as true. Remember, with the AND operator, both Boolean expressions on each side have to be true. So this evaluated true, this evaluated as true. If any one of these were false, it would not work. Now let's give some false ones. Let's say we don't want to continue, and we're 50. It'll skip this portion. It'll skip right over this. Alright, and let's run it one last time. Do you want to continue? Yes, but you're only 15. Dang. It doesn't pass through, because this expression over here evaluated to false. So for this entire expression to simplify to true, both sides of this AND operator have to be true. Alright, so that was another example of an AND. Well, that was an example of an AND operator in an interactive program. We were starting to control the flow of our program based on what the user enters, right? And of course, you can just try to crash the program. Do you want to continue? Yes. What's your age? We can say this, and of course, the whole program will crash. When you see this here, this exception, that means your program crashed. I don't know if we've gone over that yet. We might have seen a couple things. But it's saying it's a mismatch exception. Means it was supposed to take an integer value, this nextInt, but it couldn't comprehend it. Or if we use the word next, it would have been able to comprehend it, but we wouldn't have been able to use a comparison on it. Alright, thank you for watching. We got quite a bit more to talk about. I know I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible using small examples. Again, thank you for watching. Let's watch the next video, see what happens next.